Hello guys, welcome to Looker Beginner Series. Myself is Raju Prabha. In today's class or in this video, I am going to discuss what are the limitations of these labs. To purchase a Looker license, it's very costly. So it's they charge hundreds of or thousands of dollars. So that is the reason. So you should not buy or purchase any Looker software for practice purpose. So we have only one way, so we can access the Looker for free, which is a Google Cloud Skill Boost application. From there, we can access the Looker, but there are some limitations. So we have a multiple labs. So we have a lot of labs. From there only we can practice. But if you open the any one of the quest, so here right, so we have multiple labs. So few labs will have 45 minutes. Let's see here 45 minutes, and few labs will have 1 hour, and few labs will have 45 minutes. So once a 45 minutes completed, right, the entire work will be lost, which means so you can access a Looker 45 minutes. Whatever work you have done, that will be removed. So that is the limitation here. So whatever you have to practice in 45 minutes. So if you want to save anything or if you want to document anything, right, so in that 45 minutes only you have to take a screenshot, or you have to make a notes. Otherwise after 45 minutes the lab will be expired. Again you have to open the new lab. From there you have to start practicing again from the first. So since the Looker license are very costly, so we have to adjust this kind of thing. Yeah, that's it about Looker labs limitation here. Thanks for watching. We'll catch up you in the next video.